Hello everyone! Today I'm going to take you on a small virtual journey where we will explore and learn something new together. Have you heard about conversational surveys? Conversational surveys are forms that collect feedback from customers through short and interactive conversations. These are usually conducted via mobile messaging, which helps to improve relationships with customers and increase satisfaction. Here we have created a demo version of a conversational survey created by the Survey Maker plugin in WordPress. So now let's learn how to create conversational survey step by step. This is the survey that we want to make a conversational or chatbox one. To do that, we need to go to settings and scroll down until we see the enable chat mode feature. Enable it and save your changes. Afterwards, copy the shortcode and paste it in posts. Then, you need to publish it and go to the generated link to access your survey. Now you see the same conversational survey that we have seen before. Thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed the video. Write down in the comments if you liked the video and do not forget to subscribe our channel.